Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to curve text in Canva. Yeah, step by step. By the end, you'll be able to create beautiful circular, arched, or custom-shaped text designs for any project. So first, log in to your Canva account and create a new design. You can pick any template size you want, Instagram post, poster, or custom dimensions. Next, click on the text tool in the side panel. Add a heading, subheading, or body text. Whatever fits your design. Just type in your text. Now, here's the magic part. Select the text box, then click on Effects at the top menu. Scroll down and find the Curve option and click it. You'll see your text instantly curve. Pretty cool, right? You can adjust the slider to increase or decrease the curve and even reverse it if you want the text to arch the other way. Play around with spacing and letter adjustments to make it look perfect. Finally, customize your text further. Change the font, color, or add effects like shadows and outlines. And that's basically it. So your text is curved and ready for your design. And yeah, that's all there is to curving text in Canva. Super easy, right? If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more Canva tips.